Welcome back to Beyond the Known. As we close the chapter of 2024, let's take a deep dive into the most groundbreaking advancements and discoveries this year has given us. From the vastness of space to the intricacies of artificial intelligence and the marvels of biotechnology, 2024 has been a year of redefining boundaries. Let's explore these milestones together. Space exploration. 2024 marked a historic year for humanity's return to the moon under NASA's Artemis program. The Artemis 1 mission successfully tested critical technologies, paving the way for humans to land on the moon's south pole in 2025, a first in over 50 years. This landmark event promises to unlock resources like water ice, vital for sustaining future lunar colonies. Meanwhile, SpaceX continued its ambitious quest toward interplanetary travel, conducting high-altitude Starship test flights and preparing for eventual Mars missions. On Mars, NASA's Perseverance rover expanded our understanding of the planet's geology and climate, analyzing soil samples for signs of ancient microbial life. These missions not only represent progress in exploration, but also lay the groundwork for humanity's expansion beyond Earth. Artificial intelligence. The role of artificial intelligence grew exponentially in 2024, impacting almost every sector. In medicine, AI diagnostic systems outperformed human specialists in early detection of diseases like cancer and cardiovascular issues, making healthcare more efficient and accessible. In the tech industry, AI-driven automation optimized manufacturing processes, reducing waste and increasing productivity. Creative fields embraced AI as a partner, with generative models creating realistic images, music, and even scripts. AI's role extended to everyday life through advanced language models, real-time translation, and virtual assistants capable of managing complex tasks. These advancements signify a shift toward a future where AI complements human efforts, enhancing innovation and efficiency. Quantum computing. Quantum computing broke significant barriers this year, with IBM's Condor chip surpassing 1,000 qubits, a monumental step toward practical applications. This leap opens doors to solving complex problems in fields like cryptography, materials science, and pharmaceuticals that classical computers cannot handle. Google's Quantum AI division demonstrated problem-solving capabilities that pushed quantum computing closer to mainstream adoption. Industries are now gearing up to integrate these systems, which promise unprecedented computational power, accelerating scientific discovery and economic progress. Renewable energy. In 2024, renewable energy technologies achieved remarkable milestones. Advances in solar panels using perovskite materials increased efficiency while reducing production costs, making solar power more accessible. Offshore wind farms, capable of generating energy in deep waters, emerged as a promising solution to meet global energy demands sustainably. Fusion energy research achieved record-breaking plasma temperatures, moving closer to the dream of clean, limitless energy. These developments signal a shift away from fossil fuels, offering sustainable solutions to combat climate change and meet rising energy needs. Biotechnology. This year witnessed groundbreaking advancements in gene editing, with CRISPR technology making significant headway in clinical applications. Scientists used CRISPR to treat genetic disorders such as sickle cell anemia, marking the beginning of precision medicine tailored to individual genetic profiles. In regenerative medicine, 3D bioprinting enabled the creation of functional organs like hearts and livers, addressing organ shortages and advancing transplantation techniques. Biotechnology in 2024 has not only transformed healthcare, but also paved the way for a future where diseases are preventable and curable at the molecular level. Self-driving cars. The development of autonomous vehicles accelerated in 2024, with Tesla's full self-driving feature and Waymo's autonomous taxi services expanding to new cities. Self-driving technology became more reliable, addressing safety concerns and reducing accidents caused by human error. These advancements promise a future where transportation is safer, more efficient, and accessible to those unable to drive. As automation becomes integral to urban infrastructure, self-driving cars will play a key role in redefining mobility. Space tourism. Commercial space tourism gained traction this year, with companies like Blue Origin and SpaceX conducting more civilian space flights. These missions offered unique opportunities for non-astronauts to experience weightlessness and view Earth from orbit. While still in its early stages, space tourism is poised to evolve into a booming industry as technology becomes more affordable and accessible. This year marked a turning point, inspiring visions of a future where space travel is within reach for more people. Virtual and augmented reality. Virtual reality, VR, and augmented reality, AR, technologies saw significant advancements in 2024. Lightweight VR headsets became widely available, offering immersive experiences for gaming, training, and virtual meetings. AR glasses integrated seamlessly into everyday activities, providing real-time navigation and interactive shopping experiences. In education and healthcare, VR and AR technologies enabled hands-on training and therapy sessions, revolutionizing traditional methods. These tools are transforming the way we interact with both digital and physical environments. Blockchain continued to expand its influence in 2024, moving beyond cryptocurrency. NFTs evolved into tools for digital ownership in real estate and entertainment, while decentralized finance, DeFi platforms gained traction, offering banking solutions without traditional intermediaries. Blockchain's applications in secure voting systems and supply chain transparency demonstrated its potential to enhance trust and efficiency across various industries. The broader adoption of blockchain signals a move toward a more decentralized and user-controlled internet. 3D printing. In 2024, 3D printing technology reached new heights, revolutionizing industries from healthcare to construction. Fully functional organs were 3D printed using bioinks derived from stem cells, addressing critical challenges in organ transplantation. In manufacturing, 3D printing enabled rapid prototyping and on-demand production, reducing waste and costs. This technology has reshaped traditional processes, offering innovative solutions to some of the world's most pressing challenges. About Beyond the Known. As 2024 comes to a close, I want to thank you for joining me on this incredible journey. Since launching Beyond the Known in November, we've explored groundbreaking advancements and unraveled some of the universe's greatest mysteries. Your support has been the foundation of this channel's growth, and I'm excited to bring you even more in 2025. If you haven't already, make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell to stay updated on all things cutting edge and mysterious. That wraps up 2024, a year defined by innovation and discovery. As we move into 2025, let's continue to explore the unknown and celebrate humanity's ingenuity. Thank you for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Until then, stay curious and keep exploring.